Good morning, guys. It's Monday and we are in Lisbon, the port of Lisbon in Portugal. Our last port of the cruise, and then we're going to be sailing 2 days back to arrive in port on Thursday. So I've had a fantastic cruise. The weather has been amazing. The trip across the Bay of Biscay was smooth. Not sure what we're going to get going back, but you know what, that's one of those. So on deck 18, oh, let's go to 19, guys. Let's go to 19 and I'll get you a view of Lisbon in Portugal. It's 70 degrees, blue sky, and what? Oh, we are on the golf course. So this is the view. It's all around, and there's a very famous bridge here, which is the port of Lisbon Bridge. And if you can see through there, well, yeah, there's tennis courts here. We have a P&O ship in. I'm not sure which one it is, but yeah, we have churches. It's a beautiful city. I've been here once before. Went to the Christmas market. Thoroughly had a nice time. I'm not too sure if I'm going to get off today at all, and that's the beauty of cruising. You can get off or you can stay on the ship. The ship's always quieter when obviously everybody gets off, so you can have a chance to explore, go in the pools, go in the bars. All casinos and shops are shut at port, which is like the law. But I've had a fantastic cruise with my good friends Andy and Joe, Andy and Leighann, and Garry and Kath. We've just all gelled together and just had an amazing time, laughter, fun, visiting port. But sometimes we do our own thing. Sometimes we get off, they get off, or we don't. But that's the thing of it. Went to the Neil Diamond tribute last night in the theatre. Lovely show. Then we went on to the casino. Had about 4 hours in the casino, a few drinks. Didn't really lose anything, didn't win anything, but we had a bit of a ruckus of a time. And then we went on to go and finish off the night with a late disco, and we rolled in at 4 a.m. You know what, you only once, and we were just having a good time. We didn't want it to stop. But yeah, so this is deck 17, and got some beds up here. This is the smoking area, so I'll just give you a quick flick around. And this is where we spend a lot of our time. Probably remember this from the Norway cruise. It's the same, obviously the same ship. And pool down there, adults only. And I went in there yesterday, and we had a fantastic time. It was really warm, to be fair. So you got towels, and you got service here. So yeah, I'm going to get a cup of coffee now and just sit and have 30 minutes of quiet. But yeah, absolutely probably one of the best cruises we've had. Different kind of cruise. When you come with friends, you know, I've never laughed so much, and I think it's been good. Michelle's loved it as well. She likes Princess for their service, for their room service, for their food, pizzas. I mean, we've been to the pizza place twice now. We're going back tonight. We went to the steakhouse, which was phenomenal, and we went to Sabatino's, which is like a proper Italian restaurant. Just too much food in that one, but recommend all the food. Buffet has been exceptionally good. You just need to control your eating and drinking, I suppose, so you don't overindulge and make yourself poorly. But yeah, what a few days. So I don't know whether there's going to be much left to do on the sail home. I'm going to try and get into some areas. I've got some footage yesterday. So listen, thanks for watching, and check in on the next one. Good morning, this is the gym area on Sky Princess. Very extensive gym, as you can see. Mats, weights, bikes, all with a stunning view of today Lisbon, but it can be anywhere in the world. There's fitness classes, there's schedules, there are water stations, there are towels. See? Changing rooms, full works, sports, TVs. We've got like big fitness rooms. So yeah, really, probably one of the biggest gyms I've seen on a ship. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, there's lots of support if you want to. So what are you waiting for, guys? Next time you're on a ship, get a little bit of exercise. To be fair, the most exercise I've done is walk through the gym. But yeah, not for me, but for some people it's important. So this is the Vista Lounge, located on deck 7. Big bar area. So we watched a comedian here and also the late night discos. And also on deck 7 you have the one of 2 vaping areas, which is quite extensive. That's all around. Yeah, and this is undercover. It's a port day today, so it's really quiet and a really good time to film. This is a bar, this is the Crown Grill bar, and we had a steak here, lovely steak, lovely meal. And it is lovely. And they do some amazing cocktails here. So this is all on deck 7. So the main areas are deck 6, 5, 6 and 7. And then you got buffet on deck 16. Yeah. And this is the Princess Live Bar. And they do shows, quizzes, events, auctions. And this is the Princess Live Bar. There's a cafe there. Get coffees, teas, drinks. And this is all the medallion holders. So you can buy something. I've got one on my wrist, which is I had it from last time. Because the technology on the princess ships is phenomenal. And this is our favourite pizza, Alfredo's. And it's phenomenal. Staff are amazing. Staff are amazing. And then you've got a seat, you've got a lovely view. And then we've got, this is a seafood bar. Cocktails, speciality there. And this is what we call Rudy's Catch. So it's a seafood restaurant speciality. So you pay for this, but with our package we do get 2 of these. So this is, yeah, nice atmosphere, overlooking great views again. Let's give you a view. So we're on deck 7 now, and spiral staircases. They do ballroom dancing. We have violin playing. Just great atmosphere. So I'm going to walk down the steps. And the shops are closed now, but I've got a little bit of footage inside, as you can see. All your, high-end Chanel, the watches. It's really nice. And then your duty free. So if you buy duty free alcohol, you can't have it till the last day. There's no jewelry there. But these open as soon as, I think it's 20 miles. Quote me if I'm wrong, but I think it's 25 miles away from port that everything opens. So this is a stunning theatre. Seats are lovely. Got disabled access as well. As you can see, clearly there's like 2 tiers. And then, so down on level 6, on this end, you got the restaurants, the everyday restaurants, main dining we call them. I mean, prices 2 for 30, 4 for 55. We're in dollars because we're on a American ship. We do sometimes buy them, but you probably get cheap in the UK sometimes. But they do like quite good deals. And this is our second time on this ship. We're coming again in April. So, well, yeah, I thought I'd take the day off and not go into port today so we can get a really good video. Sometimes I do it at night, but I don't know if the atmosphere, the lights. And so this is the casino. So one side is smoking and the other side is non-smoking. We technically have to be playing to be able to vape or smoke. Not all ships have this. American Princess does. I know P&O do not. But it is quite an extensive casino. And you got all your table games, blackjack, 21, mainly blackjack. I think they got roulette as well, but haven't seen it yet. We'll have a look. Yeah, I got roulette down here. And maybe a poker table as well. Yeah. And this is located on deck 6. So to get to the destination, he goes, this is a nice little bar here. Cocktails mainly, and fine wines. So this is where you get all your photos. So on this occasion we get all our digital ones free and 6 printed as part of our package. So it's sometimes worth upgrading to a drinks package. We call them drinks packages, but on Princess it's a Wi-Fi package. You get photos, you get room, so there's a lot to it. And we've gone premium, which does cost averaging £500 a week for 2 people. This is the art show. And then you can buy it and they ship worldwide. Yeah, I mean, I'm not sure pricing, but it's not cheap. Yeah, this is a main dining room, Estrella. So I can have a look through the window. Let's just have a quick peep. Yeah. So this is main dining, and there's there's two of them on the ship, and we're going back on ourselves now. But there's main dining, speciality, and casual. So I'm going to go down there onto level 5. There's a few more people, so I have to respect the privacy. I'll just put it on the floor. Yeah, he's getting on and off at 5 today. So, and the procedure for getting off ship is basically you scan out, scan back in. On the way in, they have this is the coffee shop. They have it's like a bit like the airport. Oh, it's stunning shit. Yeah, so this is deck 5. Yeah. We have a shop here which sells like crisp chocolate. And this is the dessert. We have ice cream and gelato. Really nice. And we have a pub style seating and coffee, drinks. And then we've got this yeah, the Italian 7-course meal here. Really nice, just a lot of food. There you go. And let's look at the menu. Just antipasti. Where there's loads of courses and very nice. And you got to the left of it, you got the spa and guest services. And this is shore excursion, so you want to book an excursion. It opens, it just tells you when it opens. We've got guest services here, and we got a printer here where you can print out all your transactions. Because everything goes onto your onboard account. And this is the spa down there, and loads of treatments which you can just go and book. So this is deck 16, the Lido deck. A nice bar there, pool, pool area, jacuzzis, and we got chairs. And what a view out there. And on here you can get hot dogs, burgers, all included. And I think you get ice cream, but I think that's paid, but I'm not too sure. Yeah, we've got a big screen as well. TV screen. I'll get a view of that the other side. Concerts on and stuff. It's nice to go for areas. Now I'm going to try something new. This is deck 16. This is a normal corridor. This is totally decorated. And this is on deck note 16. So I'm going to try something new. I'm going to try and walk through the buffet with my glasses on to see if I can capture some food and stuff. I will give it a go and see how it works out. If not, I'll just record on the end of this. Good afternoon. It is Monday and we are in Lisbon in Portugal, and I've just got off the ship. You can see the nice view of the ship there. I'm just going to have a walk into the city just to pick up some bits and pieces. Well, yeah, it's a lovely day. Probably our last nice day. It did get a little bit choppier last night, but all good. Normally I put transfer bushes on, but no coach today, guys. So it's a bit of a walk for me, and hoping it's not too far. You guys ever been to Lisbon? Apparently it's the warmest winter averaging in Europe. So yeah, we came 2 years ago and we went to the Christmas market, but we didn't overnight. So it's always a different feel when you've only got a few hours. So let's find a couple of shops and see what there is to offer. So yeah, oh yeah, it's warm actually. Warm, about 70 degrees. So guys, I'll catch you in a short while. Hi guys, so after like 5-10 minutes short walk, we come to some like big square, the Christmas tree up. So churches, bridge, sport, a metro. It's a really big city to be fair. Look, walk with me, let's see what's going on. Just a little tip for you guys, if you come into Lisbon, it's well known for pickpocketers, so just keep your money very, very, very safe. So, one beer, €7, guys. Whew. And that's on happy hour, which is a bit eye-watering considering we're getting beers, €3. But that's what it is. Yeah, it looks lovely. See there, we got the view of the Christmas tree.
You know what?
Yeah. Good view of that. The trams. And you got the old tram as well now for that. Well, it's delightful Christmas tree. Actually sit underneath it.
Ele não conseguiu justificar, ele não conseguiu dar nenhum argumento a mais. Ele não conseguiu dar nenhum argumento para ler.
Hey guys. And all this is like literally 10 minutes from the port. Yeah, we didn't come this way before. We come a couple of years ago, went straight into like this town. You know, a little land. Famous tram car. It would have been nice to have maybe an overnight here. Have a little explore. We're gonna head into the town a little bit more. Yeah, I wasn't planning on coming out. Had a late night last night. But why not? First time I've been in port on my own. To be fair. I mean, it is rammed, guys. Rammed. Man, this is Monday morning, guys. Very vibrant. And I got these jeeps now as well that do city tours. They cost so much though, to be fair, guys. They're too busy for my liking, to be fair. Right, let's cross over, guys. Oh, we'll cross it, that's fine. Bars, restaurants. Oh, wait, we go. So, guys, I'll catch up with you in a bit. Evening, guys. So it's the last but one night.
Evening.
And our last formal night. And doesn't Mrs. Perks look amazing? She has throughout the cruise. So we've had a chill day today, Leighann.
Yeah.
We're getting a little bit rocky, going through, ready to go
It's
through
roly-poly.
the roly-poly, going through the Biscay,
Biscay.
Bay of Biscay, that's the one.
Gob.
But we had fantastic weather all the way out my bay
Yeah.
there. And yeah, got my shirt and my blazer on tonight. Chanel's got a lovely number by Chanel. But yeah, tonight we go in, have a wander around and we get some food, make some photos, and we are going to rock opera tonight, and then maybe a little bit of karaoke to finish with our good friends from the Deck 17 gang. And we've had a ball with them, haven't we?
Yeah.
I couldn't have asked for more. We all do our own thing, we link up, and have pizza last night we won.
We did.
And do you know what? We've had such a ball. So guys, this is probably going to be our last video of this cruise, because tomorrow we're packing all that boring stuff, ready to hit Southampton early on Thursday morning. It's been a 12-dayer for us. I hope you've liked the cruise. I hope you've liked the footage I've got. It's always difficult to get really good footage and feel the vibe when there's passengers around and stuff, so I've tried to do things as respectfully as I could. But we've had a lovely time with Princess. And are we coming back on Princess Home?
Most definitely.
We've just booked another one for end of next 2016 with our friends.
2026.
2026 to the Caribbean or the Caribbean, as we like to call it. Caribbean. And then we are back on Sky next April. Very nice Mediterranean cruise in it, hon.
It is.
And then we have got a few next year, but we've also got Michelle's big 5-0 cruise.
Whoop, whoop.
And it's going to be mega. Lots of little treats and surprises, hopefully, in store. I've got to get this one right, guys. So any ideas, any tips, something I can get Michelle for the lady who has everything. So it's been a great one, isn't it, hon?
It has indeed.
And I will catch you in next week's episode where I'll get back to reality.
Bye for now.
Bye. Guys, oh my god. We've let it to the last day to have one of these because they're bad for you. Look at that, beautiful.